Here's what you'll need. 80 grams walnuts, 167, oh my god, ang bilis. Huwag na lang natin siya i-dab, guys. Kaya niya na yan. So, butter. And then we'll put the sugar. But mix your butter first before you put your sugar. And make sure that the butter is creamy. Long. So, and then you can add your eggs pakunti-kunti, like 1 by 1 para mahalo siya ng ayos. You know. Noong nakaraan, tatlo lang nilagay ko. But this time, 4 because I love bananas. And then, ilalagay natin yung flour. Separate. Sel. Asin. And yung levure chimique or baking powder. Mix it all together. Then, saka natin siya ihalo dito. Then, after mixing all the ingredients, all the dry ingredients, you can then mix it with the wet ingredients and then mix it all together, but slowly. So, I'm using hand mixer. No, it's not hand mixer. I don't know what you call this thing. Spatula. To mix it para hindi magkalat-kalat. And then pag na-mix ko na siya, saka ko siya gagamitan ng electric mixer. You know. Then we're going to add our nuts, walnuts. Yum! I love the sound. ASMR. Ang kalat ko. Pagalit ako na sa ko kasi siya yung naglinis ka ako ng bahay. Siya nag-mop, nag-vacuum. And then, i-mix ulit natin siya. And then, we're going to add konting, normally, pipi du chocolat, I don't know, pipit du chocolat, I don't know in English. Chocolate chips, girl. Chocolate cubes, no. But ang ginawa ko, cubes, no. Yung chocolate bar, kinat-cut ko na lang siya ng maliliit. Yan. Oh gosh. Yummy. Look at it. Mixture of my favorite mixtures. Mixture of my favorite banana, chocolate, and walnuts. Done. Bilis. Next, lilipat na natin siya sa lalagyan. 1 and 2. And then, natin ito kailangan. Sarap talaga. First, tapos na isa. Itong isa naman. Isa. Yummy. I don't know if pag nagbe-bake kayo, ginagawa nyo rin turnip, but masarap. Mukhang tatakbo ko sa toilet mamaya. Hindi pa siya totoo, iyak na siya. Okay, done. Now we're going to put it sa oven. Hello guys, how are you? It's my OMG, it's my 29th day na nasa bahay. Congratulations, Ram. 1 month. Almost 1 month ka nasa bahay. Ay, it's been a long time. The last time na nasa bahay ako for a month ay before ako mag-start mag-work here. So, nag-start ako mag-work here sa France 2017 of September. Say hi to my vlog, Shai. Yeah. Sige.
Aww. Bakit?
Good kuman chuchudan mo. Tignan na natin. I think luto na siya. So, I'm so excited to show you my banana cake. Ang ganda niya. What are you doing again?
I'm talking avec them.
Wait, do.
Avec la famille.
While you're tasting it, because he's like maarte talaga. So, it's really disappointing. What can we do? If they don't love you, they don't love you. So, Sibong. Next time I won't make cake. I won't make an effort next time. I know that he love it. No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I know. If you cannot show and prove me that you love me, it's fine. Like, totally fine. Like, I cannot understand, but I will try to understand, you know. Si Fini. Lamok si Fini. The love is gone talaga na.
Wala na.
The love is gone. Oh yeah. Mahal, taste it na.
Du coup,
Taste it na, may banana cake. Taste my banana cake na eh.
I will taste it later.
Later, but mahal, mamaya I might forget to take a video kasi.
C'est pas grave.
No.
I will taste it later.
Mahal, they should know how it is. Because for me it's good, but they need to know by other mouths taste.
Yeah.
Ano, tara na?
Mais j'ai pas envie de manger du gâteau maintenant, je le mangerai après.
Konti lang.
Dans une minute.
Wow, you're not a prince.
Alors, Nick.
Mamo!
It's not loud, huh?
Aba, make it loud, alok.
It's all fully loud.
Shout on it, alok.
Voyez.
You take out the echo, tangin.
I take out the echo. Ah non, mais en fait, the microphone doesn't work here. It's work only here.
Mali.
Alors.
Mahal.
Quoi?
This shit no for the fun.
Tu saoules.
Comme ça. It's working. Waiting time.
Excellent.
Tell me the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Franchement?
Did I make that 3 weeks ago? So what's better, that one or the other one last time?
C'est parfait.
Which one is better, that one or the other one?
This one.
This one? Why? What's the difference? But this one I put chocolate and less nuts.
This one is super soft and crunchy wet inside. Crunchy. Tastes good with banana and you add well enough chocolate.
You're proud of your wife, alo?
Mais oui, toujours mon amour.
You're proud of me?
Oui.
Lika na, kiss na. Barbie! Sabi ko na! Sabi ko na, Barbie! Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like. If nagustuhan nyo, subscribe. And follow us on our Instagram account. And like us on Facebook.